Hi guys, this is Piyush from Trade with PS. So guys, this is my channel, and thank you for liking the videos and watching it and going through all the videos. So guys, thank you for that. And so guys, for the people who are watching it new for the first time, then I'll request you to go through the videos and see how our analysis works in the market and how you can trade on those levels. And you can also learn the price action, like how I'm working, how I'm preparing the level, so you can also do the same thing. So guys, this is my channel and this is my Telegram channel link. If you want to join me on the Telegram channel, then here's the link, and you can also get the link in the description. So guys, what I do is I provide all my levels in advance, that this trade I'm taking on this level I'm buying, and this is my stop loss. So if you're interested, you can do the maths yourself. You can calculate the risk, and you can also take the trade, and you can see how that why on that level I'm planning to take the trade and why my stop loss is there. So from that you can learn, and on that I'm also providing like any option call which I'm going to take in futures and options and my equity trade. So you can go and check all those things in that. So guys, let's start with Nifty. So yesterday we discussed that around 320, above that only we will buy. So you can see market never gave closing above this 320 level, and from there only it fell, right? So market, अब हम कल क्या कर सकते हैं? सो मार्केट के अंदर अगर हम कल का लेवल देखें तो 250 इज द रेजिस्टेंस लेवल. सो अगर मार्केट 250 को क्रॉस करता है तो मार्केट 320 और 350 तक जा सकता है. तो जब तक मार्केट 250 लेवल को होल्ड ना करे, डोंट बाई निफ्टी पोजीशंस. एंड इफ यू सी एनी रेजिस्टेंस अराउंड दिस 250 to 260, around this if you see any resistance, market opened and from here taking resistance, just sell it, buy a PE position or sell it. Then your first target should be around 18,170. So if why 170? From here only market is giving bounce every time. See, so this particular area is like very dangerous. So from anyhow, like if you're taking PE position, then if you don't book your profit here, then from here itself you will see a jump again in the Nifty. So this area you can mark it on your charts as well. So this area is going to act as a support, and if it is able to break it, then you can take a sell entry. So what market can do tomorrow? Market may open flat and it may go up to 250, and from here it will face resistance and come back to 170, and then it will do, it will form a range between 18,250 to 18,130, or within 120 it will hover around. And if market is giving any breakout post 12, like downside, probability is downside, then you can get the level up to 18,000, because from here only market is taking support. So till here you can get the your levels. So you can buy a PE and you can get a hero zero trade. So if it is breaking upside, you can buy a CE position, any option price which ranges between from 25 to 20 rupees. Keep a stop loss of 10 rupees. Don't go like zero or hero, keep some stop losses, and from there you can take. And if you join my Telegram channel around 12 or 12:30 or before itself, I'll give you a hero zero call, which I will also take. So you can also enter in that position and you can make money, or we will try to keep the stop loss as little as possible, because I believe in small stop losses and big profits. So that what I think of. So guys, now let's talk about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also we discussed that if market gives a closing above 18,300, then only we will enter buy side, and our target will be 15,600. And from here itself you can see in morning itself, like if you see this candle, then it went up to 18,000, it made a high of 41,330, but it didn't give a closing above 41,300, and from there itself it started selling, and then market formed a range. And once market forms a range, you always trade on the breakout. So if you trade breakout, then as an options buyer you will lose all your money here. And then there was a breakout. So always, like if market is forming range or it is forming small candles near the resistance, keep a stop loss above that, keep us as small stop loss as possible, and if market is forming a range, take some, like, on every rise buy some P position. If you are thinking like it is going in the downward trend, then average your positions and keep your stop losses as little as possible, and at the end you will get a huge profit. So that's the only thing in the market, that you have to work on your patience. So market tested our patience today. So from 41,300 it didn't came directly to 41,750. It took time. It almost spent whole day in this particular range, and then at the end it gave a breakout. So now what? So we can see that market today made a low of 40,750, and if you see, and from here itself we saw a rally up to 41,820. So I'm not saying that market is going up to this level. 41,000 is the strong resistance, and from here only market will return. And but if we check the closing, it is 40,874. So market closed somewhere here around 874 or something. So if market opens flat and take support on 40,850, then the first target should be 41,000. Buy a CE here, book your CE here, and if market able to sustain this 41,070, then 41,150 and 41,300. So this will be the target, but from 41,000 itself market is going to come down. So 41,100, 41,200, all these levels are now strong resistance, because market एक बार 41,000 के नीचे क्लोजिंग दे दिया है. Now until unless it gives a closing above 41,000, we will not see these levels again. Below this only we will see all the levels. So मार्केट के अंदर यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि एक ये रेजिस्टेंस एरिया है, ये सॉरी सपोर्ट एरिया है. तो अगर मार्केट इसके नीचे क्लोजिंग देता है 40,750 के नीचे, अगर एक कैंडल का क्लोज आता है, then we can trade these levels. Then 40,600, right? Because this is the breakout level. So from here only it is possible that market यहाँ से नीचे है, and from here only it returns back to 40,850. So always book your profit, and if it able to break this, then 40,500. So what can be the zero trade? अगर मार्केट 40,500 से लेके 40,750 इसके बीच में एक रेंज बनाता है, मार्केट इसके बीच में अगर होवर करता है, तो मार्केट में हम एक पी की पोजीशन बाई करेंगे. और जो ये एक लेवल हमको दिख रहा है, मार्केट में टेस्ट अप टू 40,400 and 40,300. अराउंड दिस मार्केट विल टेस्ट दिस लेवल, बिकॉज फ्रॉम हेयर ओनली वी गॉट अ गैप अप ओपनिंग एंड वी सॉ अ रैली. तो मार्केट इन लेवल्स को जरूर टेस्ट करेगा, एंड इफ इट इज एबल टू ब्रेक this as well, then it is going up to 40,000. So guys, do plan your trades accordingly, and keep as little as small stop losses. And now let's see some stock. So Cipla is my choice for tomorrow. Why Cipla? You see, this particular price is acting as a resistance. Today we saw a good buying in Cipla, and it closed near the resistance. So if you plot a trend line as well, so you will see this trend. So if market goes above this 922 and is able to hold, then 936 and 936 and 945 is should be your target. But if market faces resistance at this point itself, then sell Cipla around 927, keep a stop loss above it. If you see a sign of resistance, because whatever I provide as a buy level is the resistance, so above that resistance you will get a good move. Below, at this point itself, you will see a downward trend. So if it faces a resistance around 927, and if market is also supporting, like Nifty is weak, then it will come back to 915 and 907, because from here itself it gave a breakout. And if 907 also it's not able to hold, then 900 is the level. Let's see the daily candle as well. Why? So today we saw this, and here itself we have the resistance. See this level, market is always trying to hit this level and facing resistance. So once it is able to hold this and it gave a closing above this point, then you can expect a rise up to 990 in Cipla. So this is positional basis, I am telling you. if you see market closing above these levels 945 or something, then 990 is the target in Cipla. So it's if it gives a closing of this, then I'm going to buy a future in Cipla and I'm going to hold with stop loss as well. And if we see this Sun TV, so why Sun TV I have chosen, see this is the resistance area. If market goes above this 570 level, then your next target is 575, and if 575 is broken, then 550 is the target. But market already gave a closing below this candle, so chances are high that मार्केट ने ये, अगर आप पैटर्न देखेंगे कप विद हैंडल, अगर मार्केट इसको ब्रेक करता है कल के दिन, तो एक अच्छा मूवमेंट हमें मिल सकता है एंड इट इज़ ऑलरेडी ट्रेडिंग अराउंड द ऑल टाइम हाई. तो अगर 570 के ऊपर मार्केट एक बार जाता है और यहाँ पे होल्ड करता है, देन 575 एंड 580 एंड उसके बाद अपवर्ड ट्रेंड शुरू हो जाएगा इसके अंदर. बट अगर मार्केट फेल करता है वापस से यहीं से, तो अगर अराउंड 575 अगर आपको वापस से इसको रेजिस्टेंस मिलता है, मार्केट ओपन होता है 575 पर रेजिस्टेंस फेस करता है, देन सेल इट. 560, 555 एंड 550 विल बी योर टारगेट, बिकॉज मार्केट ने जहाँ से मोमेंटम शुरू किया है, मार्केट ने एक ब्रेकआउट दिया, मार्केट इस लेवल को अभी होल्ड नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो जहाँ से मोमेंटम शुरू होता है मार्केट पूरा वहीं तक फॉल करेगा. सो ऑन द सेफर साइड वी हैव केप्ट आवर टारगेट एट 550. So that's it guys for tomorrow. Like you must be seeing that YSBIN. So these two stocks are also there. JSW still, which I'll trade tomorrow, and I'll also see some stock on the go at like while market is running. So there also I provide some trades. And let's talk about few of the stocks in banking sector, that what we can expect from ICICI Bank. So let's see on the daily chart. ICICI Bank, it gave a closing, a big open gap up, then on the next day we saw this inside candle, but today if you see, it didn't break its low, so it's anyhow it's going to touch its high, that is 866. So do trade for the upside in ICICI Bank, or you can also buy the future, but keep your stop losses below this itself, 820 or around this, and go for the long position in ICICI Bank. If we see Kotak Bank, then Kotak Bank ने आज एक नेगेटिव कैंडल शो कर दिया है, एंड जो हमें नेक्स्ट टाइम भी जो हमारा एक टारगेट जो फेल हुआ था वो अराउंड 260 एंड 240 के अराउंड. तो अब जो इसके अंदर प्रॉफिट बुकिंग अब स्टार्ट हुई है, और अब ये अगर इसको कल 2170 को मार्केट जैसे ही क्रॉस करता है, देन हमको एक ह्यूज सेल ऑफ मिलेगा, और मार्केट को ये 2060 तक हम और 2040 तक हम प्लान कर सकते हैं ऑन द सेलिंग साइड इन कोटक बैंक. एक्सिस बैंक, ह्यूज सेलिंग, so you can see huge profit booking we have seen in Axis Bank. After the breakout, it unable to sustain that level, and from there itself it came back, and now momentum started from this position. So you can see this position is there, and from here itself we have seen the breakout. So if market कभी भी 780 के लेवल को अगर ब्रेक करता है, देन मार्केट वापस से हमको 760 के लेवल पे मिलेगा एक्सिस बैंक को, एंड फ्रॉम हियर अगेन फ्रेश बाइंग विल स्टार्ट. सो गाइस 760 का लेवल याद रखिएगा, एंड HDFC बैंक. सो यू कैन एनी हाउ सी मार्केट ने इसके लो को ब्रेक कर दिया है, एंड नाउ मार्केट विल टेस्ट दिस पर्टिकुलर सपोर्ट एरिया, ये जहाँ से मोमेंटम शुरू हुआ था. आज मार्केट ने उसको टेस्ट किया और वहीं से उसके ऊपर क्लोजिंग दिया. तो कल अगर मार्केट अपने लो को ब्रेक करता है, देन हम वापस से मार्केट के अंदर 612 और इसके लेवल्स को हम देख सकते हैं. So that's it guys for tomorrow, and I have also provided the updates on the banking stocks, and till then guys, enjoy your day and happy trading. Thank you.